Hey, did you try the new yoga studio downtown?
Yeah, I went last Saturday. It was interesting.
Interesting. What do you mean, Ben?
Well, the instructor asked us to balance on one leg while pretending to be a flamingo. I almost fell.
Haha, that sounds funny. Was it at least relaxing?
A little, but mostly I was focused on not crashing into my neighbor.
I went there too. I loved it. They played calm ocean sounds, and the studio smelled like lavender.
Wow, sounds like you had a totally different experience.
Exactly. I actually fell asleep during the final relaxation pose. SHH, don't tell the instructor.
No way. I was too busy trying not to face plant.
Maybe it depends on which class you take. I tried a morning session, and it was so gentle I could almost float out of the studio.
Floating sounds nice. I took the evening power yoga, and it was more like a workout with yoga moves.
Power yoga. Oh, no wonder I felt like I ran a marathon just standing on one leg.
I think I prefer the gentle ones. I can barely touch my toes, so bending forward is a big achievement for me.
Haha, I know the feeling. My first day, I looked like a twisted pretzel.
Pretzel, that's a good way to describe it. I was more like a confused flamingo with wobbly legs.
So basically, yoga turns everyone into a funny animal at some point.
Exactly. Some days I'm a calm cat, and other days a falling flamingo.
Or a twisted pretzel cat hybrid.
Haha, maybe that's the point. Yoga isn't just exercise, it's fun even when you look silly.
True, and it feels great afterward, even if you wobble like crazy during the class.
I guess next time I'll pick a class based on my mood. Some days calm, some days chaotic.
Perfect plan, and maybe we can all go together. Wobbly leg solidarity.
Yes, I want to see Ben as a flamingo again.
Oh no, you'll take pictures, won't you?
Of course, it'll be our new yoga challenge tradition.
Next class, everyone pick an animal pose. Loser buys smoothies.
Fine, but I pick something easy, like a sleeping sloth.
Haha, deal. Let's see who can pull off the silliest animal pose.